Oh, I need a thumbnail. Ooh. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're taking on the 100 chicken nugget challenge. I've seen a lot of people follow recently in the last couple of days post this, so I thought I'll give it a go because I'm absolutely starving. Just finished a massive arm workout and I'm ready to take these on. Now, I don't think I'll be able to do them in any crazy quick time, but I will be able to finish them without a question of doubt. 200 grams of protein, that's what's in 100 chicken nuggets that we're about to get absolutely stacked. Yes! Right, let's start the timer. Let's get going. For the challenge, we've got some barbecue sauce, and obviously we can't eat too many calories, so we've got some 0 calorie maple syrup as well, just to in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I haven't had chicken nuggets in a long ass time. I'm trying to keep a mental note of how many I've had. It's got a knack on my jaw. Obviously, with this bit, I'll put in a time lapse. No one wants to sit here and just watch me eat silently. Can you grab me a plate? I'm going to empty them onto a plate because they're still hot. The pole's not getting any smaller. I feel 100% fine. Just my jaw. Aching like fuck. It's not a belly thing, it's a muscles up there. Huh? The muscles in the top of my head.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Do the thing where you make it roll down your arm. Oh, they're getting drier and drier. Oh, if I get under 10 minutes. It's just in your mouth. It's not that I'm full up. No, it's not the fact I'm full up at all, in any way. But if I could sit here long enough, I could probably eat 150. We're taking like 30 seconds each, aren't they? Last one, I'm just gonna mash into a little ball. This is 100. Oh. Wow. Come on, I pressed it at 29 minutes. Woo! 100 chicken nuggets. 200 grams of protein. Straight to the biceps. Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed probably the first 30. After that, they got dry and they started tasting like ass. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.